hanga kwebeyisaho kugira ngo uryemerere ngo hati ngo nihanga risheme kuba ngo at least collecting 25% of the total GDP. Uganda is 68 billion dollars
is a
GDP. Hati chumwe cyakana cyeze senti kabene mu kiyo mu economy yanyu. Akanda itakashire kuza kugira ngo reducing akwehora because into running ejo bakweta deficit budget kandi ejo budget nene girango uina kasente kacha kuineho deno gendo yehore hondijo running economy yawe. Amahanga nka United States nga running economies many almost African countries tari hangeri kwemereza hukihanga no bishanga mu mahanga machenka Scandinavian countries aho kushanga ngo ubone be twini banja tabakwetaga kwehora umuntu ku running economy yawe. Ito ki economy kitunukache itsi gomwa ko guhero go 20 running 19.6 billion dollars akona kasente kache abagiga bensabe innocent because arama abantu umunsomo an individual kushanga nabasako running economy yani
nabasa kwijaba
agirati mutagira cyo necyo mwakora imishara inguto zona biza kushashura kandi the question namwe Uganda iri esente ko bastuye amuzukora ki mwine Emishoro yimwatutekaho umuntu arukwaninga 10 million in excess of 10 million sakujitaho 40%.
That's right, 40%.
Ezo ziryaho hati ntwebuza eje akakasha ukasimenta ko mwangero shinjira 10 urwo 10 nduza kutugasareki umuntu agarakabuze tabanda bakuruga hero ngo kwatobweje with holding taxi Emishoro yonejo
diaspora remittances.
Yes.
Abantu bakohereza kasente.
Yes. Nabo babateka ho mushoro waza ke hayoti mba naguguto gukwata government rotire kama nzitumushaho denza kuraba igara
njezayo
government necera kutagetinga iba kweta easy to get taxes kandi sigazaho ushanga ngo haroho icyo bakweta a large tax base iba takwihama Emishoro n'abantu benje bakora sente mu Uganda mukonga batakushashara Emishoro twinemo obuzo bw'amani and economy je yokureba ndiyo mbanta bakwicereza ngo it's bigger than what we see in papers. Igi economy hari abantu abine sente konka transactions zabo zirya mu cash sente ne bazitano mbude ejo nje banchimanyisa ki nyonsi miro Bank of Uganda bwe mucereka girango hati torukubasa kuza account a personal account when starting next year umukuku banza toraza account yawe yo sente zirengere miliyoni 50 mwizo ejo birimba bakumanyisa ki wano enda kushashura bob you day transfer zana app yawe ujinkurize ngeri mutogito mu either 10 billion you can send a billion ujisindikire bob ejo nchimanyisa ki they can track because koko bana kusindike billion ujiro tunani ngurita kare ya bob hatwo kuteka what purpose ya kugurita kare ya bob twizera tukubuza bisho Emishoro bob gushashwire hati umku taxine Emishoro nugoroba esente zaza rudigito konkana neze zibataho nizaguma bumwe noreba batagetinga soft areas konka kugira ngo mbwire bwo mmesho noje ko bwire bareta airtime ngo turya bwa scratch tuzagutse abantu bakebuza we cyaro ubwo ari guryo urusozo ko kanungu nkahi airtime nako gitungata konka abantu bakamanya
igenderwa bakabacini
buri yo mara kugura airtime no bamushara kora sose. Now the question hate kabere ga the type of technology government yeyine okumanya ngo Emishoro ibatiro nka companies telecommunication companies niza kujuru meeting at URA
reka tugambe aha ebibi bayita non business assets kitaka nanachi aho kuba waro akantu kahanga ubwo Emishoro ngumanyisa ki aha umuntu w'umunya Uganda uwito bahansi ubwo umunya
Uganda wanoza kugurita kari umuntu eryo muchapa erine chapa no manyite tuyinenda gano zeitu iziza butosha umuntu ayinenda gano nabari nkate initaka mboro kurra abantu abari kubona mnonga cyaro kandi toraba blaming because icyapa kiri mu 2.5 million ati miliyoni ibiri necicweka amuntu w'umunya Uganda ugwa hansi ayine ekazi ibiri nubwo akuruguza because of the location of the land tarakubasa kusiya 2.5 million hatu wamjangwa processing icyapa nicho mugumera.
It's another burden.
So chibanje mayisango one waza kwimuka kuguzo ndijo umuntu itaka eberi 1.5 to budget 3
6%.
Chibanje mayisango wimuka kaguzitaka rige mitwari 10 noza kushashura shiringi bishatu 6% no shiringi rukaga niziba zirinje konka wasya wori nko miliyoni nka 10
akasente
nekeyongera ukashanga 6% to think mtwaro nkankaga ziba zitari nyinji munonga nzigumani konka norea ngo
konka kurujira value ya sente zo kubuyini
the more the money the more the tax you will pay because ne assuming kugira ngo kuma akora transaction nturonda sente konka ubwo mushoro nje nagambira nguza kuguma nibanga habanya Uganda abayinitaka ryo muchapa noza kushangana batagetinga abantu ariyo baguruzo mataka mahango kanda bayino abaraho kaheguru konka mataka mingi wakubara hati yo yebuze mu Uganda what is the percentage of land eritine byapa nirinji munonga compared n'ababine byapa so kandi noza kushanga ngo akasenta ako tkarga yoje because transactions is tukora major noza kushanga ngo bo bamterera ka ndundi miliyoni 3 neshchweka miliyoni 2 neshchweka obwo butaka bobu nenda baza burundane azokoronde chapa konka yakoronde chapa ryashashura omushoro based on the land varua karukore bati based on this location ejinyo size yitaka riturumo ndiyo value yitaka pa acre bakugire ngo urete misente zikwingana zite kurugera value yitaka konka haro n'umushoro mwinje gutorahe izabanya Uganda depending on where it want to go
atugambe hanshonga ya gaming and betting abane bageta wakareba ukabana bacakita kapapura abokuba statistics zitwereka ngo abanya-Uganda binji munonga each business each industry it has a lot of money kurujira kitongore cha National Gaming and Lotteries Regulatory Board batugira ngo there's a lot of money ezabanya-Uganda bakugira bata is betting so 15% withholding tax echo chama isachi
withholding nkibanchi manisa one waza kushashura umuntu hariho umushoro ariyo sente zibaze kuyaho iwe nkamukama we sente niza kutandikira kuno ya the normal suppliers bitwa umuntu kukurga warete ibintu babsaparinga mbara university bakugira ngo noza oyino hiba kweta income tax hamwe na withholding tax withholding tax yono bajishara rate rukuzireba tuzukwijana wawe konka abantu bahariyo na vati value added tax value added tax 18% hato umuntu karukwijja yakushabe sumeje ngo mbara university nende sumeje bakakugira ngo uretse sengune ya miliyoni emwe uko kujja noza kugisapurayinga umuntu akikuguza miliyoni emwe n'emitwaro 25 omushubuzi takwenda kuferwa akwateje vati owiro bwingi tabakudeclaring konkito kutukwata ngo ukagireteria miliyoni emwe twawizo holdinga 6% basi ndiko mu URA hatu URA eba kijiyamba ku tracking no hasa parayinjira kozo kasapurayinga ine tin tax identification number eba yamba ku tracking kugira ngo nankogo akasapurayinga ibintu amaster ukanture tukarusivinga miliyoni mukaga kandi tukureba vati ningashi turarebere income bananka income tax because on top of that oyino ku declaringa ukakora shinji zinga ezo wakuzirenka magoba ubaherezo uka
amagoba gawo
ojichwa government ati kuba kugira ngo withholding 15% cyo kimesa bagita higuru otakashashwira umuntu yasinga akapaparaki ko mutwaro bajangu banzo yoshinjira 15 osugazi ubanzo sindicirenga government then umuntu ayachimangu yahangura shinjira mutwaro gume ninga shi miliyoni 10 no banzo mutemo 15% ojibanzo gisinchira government echo hari kiba kweta emishoro iba kutekaho kugira ngo ezibere abantu kwejumbira mu bintu
babine akabe kubarebere
harimo akabika hangu because mu economics intumanyangu esente zone za betting nibazeta transitory income transitory income for you to become rich ningasho kugira ka sente kona kariho process transitory income tayine process
nchukutomera rumwe
hato umuntu we narabe arakoze ro sente akazugiro mu nshaho ningasho umuntu ari kugambeje shaje ati ndiyo ninyoka chai nka restaurant ninga ati ndiyo mukanje nkashomesa abana banje nshitamiraha ubwo umuntu akaraba mu process to become
kwikaho hari
government necimanya inabahabuzi bayo netweta tugihabura tugira ngo aba bantu batakwenda kora aba process
abakwenda ngo bakeme bazitungaho nawo
kugira ngo ejugu umuhanda gufire kandi ukuza kubaretero imberambi yo misho kuneza kushongera suicide ako mwana hina ashitamira joveri atere yonka yatwarenka fizi
yes
baba muhere fizi kugitayo ningaje ati ntakashashwerera rodogo kambanze nyuziyo konganda shuwa kana hurra pato arya radio nagambe mbi statistics na hurra nkongo neza kusinga ajati kandi ibintu bya pato bitwirene barabamo agenda twara kapapura kakatayo kakatayati yari ya pressure yatira ugemuzi nyingi harugumwe ukonko gwagusigire kandi ogwamurebye atugwaraga kumurebya suicide cases so government nejane recordinga ugumuntu akayitwache government recordinga ababanta bati abatakwenda gukorana bari ahabwacha abana bashisere school fees ejye mushango yo neryo mu police so kuba kureba the number of cases increasing bajya ngo tutarabinga business z'echikankeze abo kuba zitwire storytera kasente ka government kandi abamwe bazine memerumo muzemploying abanya-Uganda de katuba discouraging puzayo ninke Emishoro bakuta nkamarwa Emishoro bakuta sigara etabe ningashe Emishoro nkeji bakuta mu gaming bagitaho kugira ngo umunya-Uganda ahurre ngo n'ikintu kibi cyo gukora
mbwenejo neberiyo protecting abanya-Uganda
kugira ngo twendozo mu business age
twakwenzere
kunga kugira ngo mwine muteme gumere
muri gumite
tumurukura
mwere mujajara kazi
oro yarga rugamba bagaratiye tuno haba rugire muri kwikiriza amazi ati kugira ngo bayimuhayina abarugire
ndakikanaje sineza nikumishaisha tumuri nyuma Dr. Benjamin Musita we talking matters economics na mnonga turi kugezaho kwetegereza bwanyuma yo kutandika icicwe kaca kabiri cyo mwaka ogwenka 2026 kandi no kutandika financial year ngecho mago BMPya 2027 how are going to proceed turebe Emishoreji yi government yaseka proposals kahinguzwa kandi kuza kutandika kukorje wabona tugabo yona muzakwa ni mchacho reka tukumere kace kutagaruce tuzakureba akintu cha bank gichwa wahintingiro kace hata tuchinywanise tuchumukanise na ikintu cha ritekere barabizemu area funding foreigner nachi sovereignty bill abukuba haruho zitukweta NGOs na nezimwe kandi zimwe zisi abantu buhereza restrictions zezo nizibasa kugira implication iki economy yitu otakarugaho agencies and bobs gadabaho. Let's take a short break, we'll be back.
And that's it for today. Till the next episode.
wese nahinda turi aha okubasa kuba tukwereza emisya ebirungi kandi tuterekana sana n'imbaga yo kusinga y'ubuhango umucanga cyiteke turi kwita ekinihiro huto bunuzi 2025 byo kwezi okwa mushanju mucayi kacika kandi tubeta muje mutwegito tukujabuza imyaka 2025 yo uhereza kwa Radio West radio eresero hentungu kwa mucanga cyito cyaburanje eriizooba no myanya indijo yahare so mwishe tubeta nakwaro kushemererwa okudia no kugashura uwo turi kunurwa umurebe n'abahereza abanyu bona ba Radio West in the meantime tubantu batayiro mbyanga byanyu bitayibona bimwe kuburanga muza kwa numbureba mutwecuru kwe turi kushemererwa nimwe omuriho buri koga mbenyi wanje mu bizigwe eriizooba ni Dr Benjamin Musita muhangu mukushomesa habiby'entasya ngakito kweta economics byesente ndudizo kushijuma tukutera toshi tukaranzia Emishoro etali mwenemwe eyi government eresire okujya mu Uganda bashashure kurebeka mu mwaje cyuma contributing akombe kihanga ryanyu kurabera omukushora Emishoro kandi Dr Benjamin yatanira kutugambira ngo ekigambo cy'Emishoro no one has ever liked that idea ano kurwumviro bwa Yesu bo in fact ubwiro bwa hoza bo bakabatena no kubareba fast forward to today nothing much has changed eshonga nikoze zityo nyumwazyo tukuza kwendera abantu binjira batakashura Emishoro URA ni baramu kandi twatukumayise bwangu esende zo kika akatabarwa kamwe 1 trillion something ezibo basakwani barundana on D-Day kandi guhinda bandi abarafubire abatabase kuba ni bashashora no muri buri gogo konka abitu bya banki bawagambira ari cyo cha limit kugira ngo one withdrawing kugira he wajirota ayiwako mwana you have of course uri hari account kokarwa n'icyo kintu cha esente z'abenzurga heru actually government negira ngo tushemere kohereza bwa miyenzo kurenga muri maganana I think in a space of 12 months of course kagambisa abantu binje munonga the politics around it and an implication echakwasa kugira ari economy yitu
hati eji ni economy koko zo Bank of Uganda bakugira ngo tene sente zibatakumanye ziri mu ihangoma because they regulate currency and saturation
nibazirebuza
bamba semanyango no bakujishoza nzara bo mu ngaro zabo konga tu running economy iyo rokushangantu twine sente zitakumanye cyo kugambana ntabanya Uganda bine sente wari government neza kora ebintu bimwe umwe tucura umuntu ababutosha twine tukushitama akabara tukanyweraho shango rya kabiya wenga washabaka waraji uriyo nore TV hato shango umwe hagera hemboze based on your opinion utine data ro kuguiding haze nshobeza abanyaganda nabazikora muno umburuzi ninga shishita cyo umburuzi
Ecclesiastes
umburuzi niyo okay zaburi igana shatanemwe rwo kubanza the psalm says that I do not exercise myself in matters higher than I akata kura kwejumbiro mbintu ko mucara akata kushara kubiza so abantu abembagamba sovereignty bill it's because they are not knowledgeable ninga shita bakumanya habwache bintu n'ubukorwa nko kubiri sovereignty bill eryo mucinte cumwe ecitwentsha banka abanyaganda yitwe abarebero ho mushana turukurigero mucinte kibakweta positive dictatorship positive dictatorship no kureba urarebere nko mwana wawe wozeire naenda kutora umuhanda gutarubu ukamukwatsa umukono gwe coma konko mukono gwe ukamuhugura konka kukireba ubwiro bwe ngo ncumusasa that's what is happening in this country ituture ertihanga erukugira ngo batwe freedom one of the mistakes NRM made the government iturum muzaya akatwereza ibintu bibiri akatubusinje akarwana leta ubusinja kandi yet protecting kugira ngo you can drive from Kisoro to Arua without any problem mu muhanda to expecting mu ngo harimo kortaro ninga ejo ntumereza 100% konko buzubundo buyatoretire was too much freedom.
What do you mean?
Freedom tere kwetagwa muntu w'omoro omuntu bakwetanga no mworo ninga sho muntu atakwebasa note ko muhereza direction haza ko kuba no direction natakumanya harukuza nagezeho ku resisting nco kuretera policies in sovereignty bill ukashanga no giroti njere nyono ko sasara ndinka side ya Geno I support so much Geno because of that positive hand na ababuza bwace ngo tuzereziti nyenda UPDF etanike kuzukora hatitwe kare kutandukana nitwe kare kugira ngo ukore ibintu bishoboreke umbantu barya hasi
ko ngo ku bypassinga za systems
amahanga gakuzere gona gakabanza gakwata freedom kiba kweta democracy kachitekarabaje babanza bakuzihanga ryabo bayombeka systems izabeneza matching n'abantu bazo
so ite tukabanza mu systems
adimo mukabanza mu abandoninga systems mwahereza abantu freedom without systems. So what you see general chari nagezo kureta ni kintu cyo kugira ati dekamba gira ngo this is the way twatiriyo tukore nguto tukwetaga procurement yora
bureaucracy
barakuburize
okweziringa no kwetorora
bureaucracy ni nyinshi bari hariho komiteji bona barondo ko barire musente kandi zakayijamuri ngo gutakujyamba government efficiency of government oraburize procurement y'imvundu bazireta bata kabagora za tanks bakagura ibintu by'amahebo babikora bata they do direct procurement now umuyihangarto to kwetaga kurabo umuruka yungirizi no gendo yeshira soso gure kintu kireta as government kuyahozo inefficiencies ninga shoku abantu batarakusiya bintu kandi abakubyetaga bari bingi ebintu biri mu nkebesho mukara munke mbazi hashimuko of course security general negotiable hashimuko hari munke nguto n'amashanyarazi n'ibyo bintu bakwetanga ebintu bikusika muntu wa so ko kubuza nka sovereignty bill nkeje kibaresere kugira ngo limit ya bank a personal account ni mtwaro milioni 5 konka wine business account twakutekara 5 with time umwaka gwa kwingoro gundi bakugira ngo twazi chendeza koko baturemba chendeza za cheki hade ya milioni 5 no shote ebyo nchimanyisa ki you need that umwene nko mukondo gwe choma kuyambo g'umuntu wa hansi kurakurana
ko nano uko umuntu arachirebe nako no kumataringa abako g'umuntu nawe ashime kwa ine freedom yashime kuba naje
to kwitaga freedom uryo mworomanya
umoro tashime kugira business freedom ejo
umoro bambaza kwiho mworo utakumanya how to because ikoyere mirwe
so tinshemere ku participating anyo
because kurunogera ngo beno chimanya kururyo mugiga hate uko twire myako ine myaka nkaga
mwene tuchukumayisa ngwihanga y'abanyaganda n'irya a few people
apana ihanga no rebazi as a project
okay
numbaza kurugambure minge President Paul Kagame umshahaye Rwanda tetahwa but when you reach on the roads ukareba health sector ukareba abantu abamweta bakabireje konka kabakwatsa umukono gwe from the start muze yatuhereza obusinje yatuha freedom haza freedom eje twagikozesa kubi ugunayombe ko mucyaro ugunayombe kanka ugunayombe ko kuyayenda ugunayombe kari kureba umunju ya mutahiwe ibintu bikorwa mu sete biki umusayide order ibintu bikorwa tukubasa kuombeka ukatanga ko umujungu cyane hashimukwaruho mwana muturo mu rukarite nkeji hariho levels zibako batera kuko uzumahanga gagazire nanka zibojo gatangune proper plans za kutungura bichwe
kuko plans tuzinde we have this plan
hati kuko bozine oreto mukono gwe choma ohinde kizimbe cyo muntu omo wamani ajat hati jeno karu kuja bajati no manisa wakwatar rukwago wa tugera mu miriya matembete bakumukwata nanka matembete bakumukwata hati kuko reto gwo mukono abantu baje katugenda ngo tubukorwa kambukoro haza you carry the same anger ugiteye ko mu marwaro you carry the same anger ugito mu mashombero the same anger ugito mu ruguto
ikibuzo kigira that anger we're talking about etwirahi umucorruption etwire yihangeri
kandi kanabwangara
anger etwirehi very many things that are going astray na what are priorities zitu kubudgetinga priorities ibintu bikuhibwa priorities katbyo tutekateka ngo nibyo kuza kwerihangarira
hati muyichereze ngo ebituriyo ntazama ibintu bihindukire
ntyo
ni nsima mukama at least ni nkoroho ka budget ngire mu mwendebo kubutambara ibintu bihindukira mu ihango kandi umbwire bwo mu mesho abantu abembi bancenda becuri abokuba systems ziriyo nazizaho first and foremost ni njango parliament bayachi passingire bari no bapassinga kugira ngo nka procurement ergemezo committees. Why do you need a committee to budget for 10 million? ngwishomero ndiyenda kugura akazindaro nkaka ninga nke koti nkejo kunkaba kugira ngo notekora abo mu committees nkitano muza kugure koti then mugenda mweta sapara yakare mbano bamashangana barwana ndoko do you need all of them bajango accounting officer na office ya procurement has the capacity to buy UPDF bakugira ngo it should take over roads, it should take over construction of schools. You should give it a hand because nkarebechi yakoze nkambara university kijayombeke kizimbe yacheza itakatunye na sente za izone neki no humuntu wabutosha arukombeka akaheza kabanja government ushanga ngo neki niyo kubasa kuchikora abanye umuntu waboryo mworo wayiremerwe kwetungura tuine freedom yo kutugambara okushima kwano yombeka twatuzire kupombechera because even you don't know the best for yourself okabe incapacitated wabara kweyamba wabe incapacitated wabara kushomesa umwana kutwarete cyoshe mu kwano utorojo you shouldn't say any word because mbaba kozero research barebere mahanga gando kugakozere bacincooperating na values na cultures zetu ware bareta sovereignty bill they were targeting foreign interests can na sentence can sta home ihangomu without control but support wrong objectives
omuri yecho cha wrong objectives harumuna na insonga yo kugira ngo government te kugeza ko consolidating ngira kugira ngo etine the pressure yakoretwa aboro baju orukakanza government okoko kushoborokerwa ihanga bareba democracy yitu the opposition can suggest something and it's taken in
ukoko na kugambire kare tukwetaga democracy there is no poor country that needs democracy
so when the bottom line is tukwetenga democracy
you don't need it
we need a dictatorship
why you are poor no aro dictatorship is removed aro positive dictatorship and negative dictatorship
okay
omuntu yatakumanya policies on how to develop a country ogwe no negative iba kweta negative dictatorship na leta abantu yabe itarabusha nke byabiruhumbwira bwa mini positive dictatorship no kugira ngo aba bantu tubakumanya what they call a good hospital haza kugira ngo tumukujimanya change is a fact of life and there is resistant to change hati ni nokora no shara muchi ernirwaro ermukwetaga ninza kuryombeka na kutekaho n'amahaha UPDF emerera mpaka baryombekere bukoze no murgetaga ninchimanya akonko muryo no murwana tumurkushimanya ngo numukwashi no murgetaga wano tera kana kato uruno ukasinda kana kazayishomero katnyoti nkuzayo no karekogero tuguboshtan it is you who knows the end result the end goal azo umuntu mora benje nuko bako babari umuntu ariko bananywa ayimuka kashitama kakabaraka nywaraje akadiscussing ibyabaho hatakeje amasumu internet n'abajya accessing ushanga baro barya ushanga someone yazanka kitande shaheje ariyo na swiping up tushamwenda arya TikTok the primary objective of which bakakora TikTok was two the jobless and those who are hona nebintu bibere bakorire TikTok wareba why was TikTok made bakajikora batine murumo obana be depressed karu kuzasumu yakumana swipinga ayebwe na kuki kunkanja karegaruka so niyo primary objective the jobless and those who are depressed niyo njo bakorire TikTok hato monta sibizo baryona swiping your destiny nchakaro bushimuko shango inenjo muto abantu abo tabakwetaga kugira ngo baherezo freedom besharemo
Benjamin ihanga hit uko kuchitwazo tyo twinihanga okuruje demographics zitu cya kukibuza abantu kugira ngo turi abantu bato abantu bato full of energy and ideas wachireba konka look unemployment ibariyemerumo it's a reality in Uganda abana binji bahendira kwasira muhanda baza hero abukuba hanuya emirimo teru government tusheme kujibuza ngo why not creating enough jobs
now korkurete chibuze echo tuinechizo cha family to have jobs. I've never been jobless in my life. I'm sorry to say this.
Thank God. You shouldn't be sorry.
I've got it. nkabandi mu primary mawe yangurire gare nkanyi no kugenda nkashenyenku nkazireto mukashenye kasapplying. My mother is an agent radio since it started. She has been there. Konka kagure gare P5 yagira to gumugendo shenyenku ozireto steka hoteli mukashenye zo ishomero. Nkabani nchikora nazo mu secondary tinda hindukire kini ijoro mu senior 6 naje hezanti nkaba I think I first security guard wa Chinese construction company barukora kaguta road. I've never been jobless. There is a mentality the mindset niyo kutugambara ngo emero motero konka bakoreka where there are problems there are opportunities yo horrebe bizu kinkoro umuntu actually natembe nyunyu nagenda mpura nashasha because when let me go spiritual. Spiritual hariho kushanga ngo hariho Paulo nashabara Ephesians in chapter 1 verse 17 ngo ranga abigora ngo the eyes of you understand ngo ranga baherezo umwoyo w'ubwenge na no kushururu. But 18 says ngo amesho ganyu gomwoyo gigurwe garebe gatunga umushana gukureba. There are many things we cannot see. There are opportunities that talk about
ebisherekirwa misho gitu
no romuntu na tambara by their brain. Now spiritual blindness is a very big problem. Spiritual blindness, there are people above tambara, they pass on opportunities but they never take advantage of them. Korkuzo mishomero you see opportunities ochiraba street aho have opportunities but who has eyes to see them? Echonchirgo mindset change and the teaching yosho mukwano yumuntu mbukwatwa because the biggest level of poverty is the mindset.
Umuntu yana
tukubura sente musha
no kubura ebitiso ideas
umuntu yaine billion ya sente shaheje atine wenje bukugira ngo ayongero shirinje mwenchakare no mworo kusinga konko umuntu atine chaine konka aine chance yukutunga 1 shirinje tomorrow no bwagwashinjira uko mwenchakare ubwo no mugiye. Government has a very big role yokora twiciriza ngo freedom zito zikateganisa twazara abana bazaho konka abana ujuke the people nizagaruka ntware spiritual kugira ngo rahanga tari akiceza I think abantu babiri bonka bakurosingera Red Sea kuza Kanani babiri
habo bugome bwa bari abandi
barabandi akabita abana babo no bashire abatara kurosingera abantu batwire bamanyire nako bagumira yendura. What is my prayer? No kujanga general government ero erinde nyoyinko yingujya neza kujya because they am saying that farmers community bwaterena na positive dictatorship. Government ya general mozere kuza kwisha. Nyoyinko teka ije tandikira abana. Oshomesa abana from the grassroots. Oyi haba shomesa bako bashomesa because the poor person cannot teach a poor person. You can't give what you don't have. To can shomesa bwigota bwine. Paulo nagamba with these things we transfigure to the apostles. Are ibintu byo transfiguring byo kwereza muntu because of koziri. Now a poor person is teaching a poor person. Harobwiro bokuza kuruga ukagenda ukakira mu Japan who has been an industrialist. Umushashure sente nyingi atandika grassroots kushomesa zabana how to become industrialist.
Abo kubechara kora nachimani
because aturi nachikora. Muzeyi ke abena atandika mbara university akajikora very ninjangu is one of those he favored most when the president was being in Bara University. Akaja tabashoma ba doctor mu Uganda kabatakanya akaza chuba ya turetera chuba doctors bajenzere last year from 1989 uruguma rwenda chana na mwende tandikire bajenzere over 30 years. They trained these people, they become professors. Now you can manage the university. Now you can teach others.
So when you was a core,
when end up building entrepreneurship and jobs, you start with those who are young. Tukutandika
abario
tukomere
twachiri buri buto wabintu basa kwinukwa.
You will let some generation die off and begin with the young one.
Unfortunately our time is spent. Eje tugane cyaba twine tuganira kugira ngo niwe etagereze urebe ihanga ryitu. Uganda bagira ngo abanyamukuru bagira ngo wagamba kabi tuwaba karisire nkakagabiro karo so kukabwenu tutwagamba ebigambo bitabo na bimwe niwe cyo kora waza kukireba umuringo gwawe yabere mwa kutwegitaho ntubendeze kugenda mukaza kora mutaka kunde cyo kugira ngo mukunde sente zikura fakunde zitubajyango nizara
kuko it's in a process
yes put systems in place ukora ka sente akagwa ka sente kukakwitaba something is going to change about your life tuenda kwendeze birungi bukamba atindire murare kurungi bye bye.
Omushongi gw'abantu gukushyibwaho
Aquafina enriched drinking water.
I'm called Awidi Isabella. I'm studying from